Hi guys, I want to tell a story about a cat and a fox. Let's listen my story. A cat and a fox were once discussing about hounds. The cat said, I had hounds. They are very nasty animals. They hunt and kill us. The fox said, I had hounds more than you. And then the cat asked the fox, how do you save yourself from hounds? The fox replied, there are many tricks to get away from hounds. Can you say what your tricks are? They are very simple, said the fox. He added, I can hide behind thick bushes. I can run along their knee hedges. I can hide in the burrows. There are many more sharp tricks. Now it was the turn of the fox to ask the cat about the trick. The fox said, how many tricks do you know? The cat replied, I know just one trick. The fox said, what? How said? You know only one trick? What is your trick? The cat was about to answer, but she found a fox of hounds fast approach. She said, I'm going to do it now because the hounds are